manifest?
I don't believe in manifestation. It happened eventually and it was a lot. I'm spoiled. I'm like a brat now. And God grounded me on the same day. I really tried to fit in, but the magic only happened when I decided not to. It's my favorite thing to do at night. मैं सबको good night बोल के, then I'm on my DMs and I'm on my comments. And if you go to my page, all comments are replied to, for sure. Because I love talking to my audience, because that's the way to grow. Finding out what worked for me was important, and also I had to go to therapy. Like, there was a lot of stigma around it while
I understand.
in general, but I feel like I didn't even need I think I had like 6 sessions in the entire year, and my therapist was like, you need to calm down. Strong headed, where she was like, she twisted my arm and she made sure I was listening to her. So having that was also very helpful. I think I was getting paid it was a long list of deliverables, but I was getting some 30,000-40,000 ka deal. And for a college student, that was insane. That was like, when I used to work somewhere else, that was my year ka salary. So my parents are not, they don't have a degree. They are 10th and 12th pass, so they have no idea what. So Mumbai was very intimidating for them. I think my dad got really excited when big bucks started coming in, because he's like, yes, business, abhi maza aa raha hai, business. They're the thickest robes you will find in the market. No mixing. It's like 100% cotton, so it's amazing for your skin. It's like a fab product. Once you use it, you will not stop using it. There can be 100 people telling you, oh my god, I love you, but then that one person will be like, pagal. And I'm like, kyun pagal, kyun, kya kiya maine? So I feel like validation is great, but sadly the human mind is that way, that it'll look at the one negative and not the 99 positives.
She's grown up in front of the internet, sharing personal moments that feel carefully chosen. Hi, I'm Sonal, and today we are going off script with Aashi Adani. We're going to take things slow and talk about stuff beyond the reels, online versions, but also what it is like to be offline. Hi Aashi, how are
Hi
you?
Sonal, how are you doing?
Very well. You have practically grown up in front of the internet, the era of the internet, since content creation started a while ago.
Yeah.
कैसा लग रहा है अभी? How are we feeling?
I feel good. I feel like because I'm a Gemini also, I get bored very easily. So I have seen so many phases and waves of the internet that I feel like it was difficult, but it was a lot of fun for me as well, because मैं भी bore हो जाती if the
आप entertained
same
थे
thing was
because
happening.
waves
Yeah.
आते जाते थे.
Yeah.
Which, if I may ask you, which was your favorite time?
I'm really liking how things are right now with reels and shorts.
Yeah.
I'm really liking short form content.
Yeah, do you enjoy, I mean, I was gonna ask you this, do you enjoy like shooting for the longer content or the shorter content?
Short
better?
form content, definitely. I feel like because you can pack so much in 30 seconds, and it's
It's an art. मुझे लगता है ये एक आर्ट है, लेकिन सबको नहीं पॉसिबल है कि 30 seconds में आप इतना सारा पैक कर लो. आप कैसे कर लेते हो?
I feel like, again, because I'm someone who consumes content which is very quick. मैं long form बहुत rarely देख पाती हूँ. So I feel like the more I consume, the more fun it is for me also to churn that output.
Right. You make haul videos, there's beauty, there's fashion, there's lifestyle, whatnot. आपका favorite genre कौन सा है?
Beauty, for sure, beauty. I love skincare and makeup.
How did you get into content creation? How did your journey start?
So basically, I think after your HSC exam, there's like a 2-month summer holiday, right? And
then you have to decide कि आगे करना क्या है.
And basically at that time only, I was like, that time influencer era was picking up. I've seen a few of them posting on Instagram, and I was like, maybe this is something I can do, क्योंकि बचपन से I've been the kid who loves fashion, who loves beauty. I also had like an Instagram business with my friend.
What?
Yeah, in college. So I was always into fashion and always into like the fashion shows in college, and I was like that extracurricular child basically. And so it was picking up, and I was like, maybe I can just post on Instagram. Anyway, I talk about it all the time. So actually not post on Instagram, I used to write blogs on like how I was in 200 rupees ka budget figuring out my college outfits and stuff like that. So I mainly started with heavy fashion content and writing blogs, and eventually I think social media just did its thing. Yeah.
So you started with blogging before vlogging.
Yeah,
और वो
for
transition
sure.
कैसा रहा?
It was fun actually. I didn't realize कि video करने में इतना मजा आएगा because like there is so much of your personality that comes through which can't come through in writing.
Right.
So definitely enjoy the video process.
Do you
more.
remember the first ever video you made?
Video? No.
It's been a
Video,
long
it's
time
been
now.
too long. I remember the first blog I wrote,
Yeah.
but not,
What was it about? Tell us.
I think so. It was summer season, like I mentioned. So I had these lot of shrugs. Tab shrug ka fashion tha, you know.
Yeah,
those
I
bow
remember that era.
knitted
Yes,
stuff.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So I was like, how do you style your shrugs in summers? So that was like my first blog post that I
Shrugs in
did.
summers. I think
Yeah.
we should all go and check it out. Considering
No, don't.
summer's coming out soon, and then we're all about bringing fashion back.
We are
right?
about 2016 now this year.
I know, right? It's like tabhi we were ahead of time, and now we want to go back in
I
time.
agree.
Something else is happening.
I know what you mean. Yeah.
Tell me about your vision board. So, while checking things out about you and like getting to know you better before I could have this conversation, मैंने देखा कि आपने 2025 का vision board बनाया था, and there were so many things that you checked off of it. There were some things that you kept it very real. I have to give it to you.
Thank you.
ये vision board बनाने का idea अभी मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा देखा है, but आपको तब कैसे आया था?
So vision board is not something that I've been doing since Adam. Actually, this is my second year doing a vision board only. But idea isliye aaya because I never used to be the person who does resolutions. Like when I was like, nothing is changing. But I feel like goals set. Like if you see my vision board, it's not just photos of things. There is method behind कि मुझे ये चीज achieve करनी है. Even if it's personal in terms of peace, or if it's materialistic as if like I want to earn X amount of money. So it's like, I think it's a fun way to put like your goals in front of yourself. Or
You believe vision boards help you manifest?
I don't believe in manifestation.
No?
Honestly, I don't believe in manifestation because I feel like why it works is because मेरे vision board पे था certain number of things, okay, and they didn't just happen. I feel like some things obviously came to fruition on its own, but I saw कि okay ये particular चीज मैंने खत्म नहीं की, year is about to end, do it sort of a thing.
Right.
Like I wanted to do 10k steps every day, and in November I realized ये तो first 2 months किया था फिर किया ही नहीं. So I started walking 10k steps every day. So I feel like it works as a reminder rather than I'm just thinking मुझे 10k steps करने और वो automatically आ
जाएंगे. There's a subconscious push there. देख के ऐसा लगता है कि भाई मैंने अपना ही promise नहीं रखा.
Exactly. Which is why it acts like a good reminder. So I don't believe directly in manifestation, but I believe in the push that it gives you.
How proud are you of your 2025 and how you pulled through?
I'm quite proud of it because when you think about the checklist, I've done like 60% of the things, 40% didn't actually happen, but I feel like I tried my best.
I mean, you had your first business trip, yaar. I mean, business trip in the business class that you were manifesting, वो हो गया.
Yeah, that's true.
And I think 2025 का था कि international work trip होना है जो 2026 में हो गई.
हो रहा है, होने वाला है.
होने वाला है. What do we feel about 2026? How have we started?
We started on a very slap in the face because a lot of things are happening that I had been planning, and I was like Jan से चालू करेंगे, and everyone in my team was informed कि Jan से चालू करेंगे, so सबने चालू कर दिया at the same time, and I was like, oh shit, I took on too much, but I thrive in environments like that. So I
mean, you're a Gemini. Geminis do thrive under pressure, is what I feel.
Definitely.
Tell me if I'm wrong about this.
No, you're not. Definitely.
Do you believe in sun signs?
Yes.
Zodiac?
I do. I feel like the personality angle definitely works for sure.
And let's talk about your brand. Please help me pronounce it right.
It's Intreccio.
Intreccio.
Yeah.
And you're making such amazing stuff, and I saw that you also have integrated zodiacs in that as well. Itna believe karte ho आप उसमें?
I feel like that in particular wasn't a personal call, but that was a business decision that will sell.
Yeah.
Because I know there are so many girls who would love, even I would love wearing like a Gemini robe and stuff like that. So it's like a tiny detail which we feel like was something that would sell, and it did.
And I mean, you did find a niche because personally, I have been on that journey where I was like looking for a good bathrobe. And there was no good bathrobe I could find until until you made it happen for all of us. And now
Definitely.
the zodiac. I mean, I would love to get a Piscean robe someday.
You should. Are you a Pisces?
I
Oh my
am.
god. Like 3 of my best friends are Pisces.
Oh,
so we'll get along just
yeah,
fine.
that's amazing. I mean, I think I can sense it already happening. Tell me if I'm wrong
No,
about
you're
it.
not.
So you tell me, how was the business class trip that you took? How did you enjoy it? What were you expecting? What did you get? Like expectation versus reality wali baat kaisi thi?
So expectations while going to got crushed big time. Because the flight that I had
Yeah.
while I was in the business class, the flight was like a normal wider economy seat. It was not what I expected. I was like, तो BT हो रहा है अभी. But it was a fun experience
Yeah.
altogether. But then while coming back, I got that international experience with that
Feeling. Kevin,
personal
yeah, right.
Kevin and stuff like that. So I was like, so it happened eventually, and it was a lot. I'm spoiled. I'm like a brat now. And God grounded me on the same day. Because
Ah.
same day I took a Bali trip. Like the day I came back from Delhi, I went to Bali. That was a very long economy flight, and God was like, be humble. Don't fly.
How are you doing this? Delhi se Mumbai, Mumbai se Bali. ये क्या touch and go चल रहा
I
है?
thrive like that.
my
I
God.
thrive like that. There is
And does it not like bum you down when you've got so much happening? I mean, I know as a content creator, and when you have to take trips going out and coming in and going
Yeah.
somewhere else, I understand you thrive, but it must also take a toll on you physically, ना कि अभी बहुत थकान हो रही है भाई.
Ideally, yeah, but मेरा वो भी है that I'm very pre-planned,
Yeah,
very pre-planned.
organized.
So if I knew these two things are happening, मुझे 1 week पहले से पता है, so obviously all my packing is done, all my things.
Wow.
All I need to do is take care of myself, and that I can do anywhere. That is
Wow,
fine.
now see, that is something I cannot relate with, because कितना
Yeah.
भी मेरे पास हो, मैं last minute तक उसके पहले हो ही नहीं पाता मुझसे.
But that's actually very good.
How?
Because if things are not planned na, I can't thrive in that environment. If someone tells me कि आज सुबह उठ के देखते हैं क्या करना है, मुझसे नहीं होगा. I need to know lunch कितने बजे करेंगे, what's the outfit theme, what are we exactly
Wow,
doing.
yeah.
Like, so it can become irritating to be my friend
एक
sometimes.
blueprint होना चाहिए हर
हाँ.
चीज का.
So while it's amazing in work, but I'm trying to be a little more go with the flow
Right.
in personal life at
Right.
least.
You like we mentioned, you have tried almost all genres there are in content creation, and then your favorite one happens to be beauty,
Yeah.
which you started with actually. Content creation में इतने waves आ चुके हैं. The way things have changed for content creators, how it has become a career of itself, which has been like a boon.
Yeah.
What do you feel has changed the most about it?
I feel what has changed the most since I started versus now, as sad as it is, people have started not being themselves. I feel like that is pehle we were like 10, if I'm taking a sample size
Yeah.
of 10 creators, everybody had such a different personality, such a different way that they dressed.
True.
It caught your eyes, the way they did their makeup.
True.
Now there is like this fine blueprint that people want to follow. Okay, if you're a content creator, your vanity lights need to be a certain way, the way you dress needs to be a certain way. It's taken away the personality out of the creator.
True.
That's why now also if you see that the creators that actually stand out are the ones who have a very distinct personality, a
And a
distinct way
slight
of
rawness
talking.
to it, yeah.
And they're very honest, which is why you relate to them. So I feel like a lot of people who are getting in na, they're like, oh, but मेरे पास light नहीं है, मेरे पास ये नहीं है, I don't have this sort of makeup. And I was like, that's not what you need to start. You need ideas to start,
Yeah.
nothing else, which is why it becomes, I feel like it's become so intimidating. Earlier we were so excited to put ourselves out there. That excitement is gone, I feel.
That's true. You
Yeah.
put it in such a nice way. I do feel that, I mean, अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि if someone out there who's watching this now wants to start, because
Yeah.
everyone some or the other day has thought about it.
Oh,
कि
for sure.
I want to have my own
Yeah.
YouTube channel,
Yeah.
my own YouTube page where I'm doing my own thing. What is a message you would pass to them?
Be yourself.
Yeah.
Like being yourself is very important. And second would be, think about a topic that you feel like you have a lot of opinions on, and something that you can talk about for 10 years straight.
Oh,
10 years straight.
wow,
Think
yeah.
about that. And if you find a topic that you're so passionate about,
Yeah.
then you can start content
Wow.
creation. Whether it's travel, whether it's comedy, whether it's beauty, whatever it is, you should be so passionate that you can keep rolling with the
Doing
same
it.
topic.
Oh my god! Wow, such amazing insights. Clearly, you have been doing it for a
Yeah,
very
far too
long time.
Yeah. And I've learned from my mistakes, for sure. So these are mistakes I'm telling people not to make.
You also feel that आप भी उस mold में
For sure.
हो
I
रही थी
really
फिर.
tried to fit in,
Yeah.
but the magic only happened when I decided not to.
And what was that moment like?
I think it was in COVID. So since I started till COVID, while I was always interested in
Yeah.
fashion, and that's why I picked it up, I wasn't very good at it.
Oh.
I wasn't very creative at it, and that really made a difference because in COVID, when we were all locked into our houses, I couldn't go outside to shoot fashion content, and that's why beauty came into my thing. कि अभी beauty करना पड़ेगा. I only have one wall, and I was so good at it, and I think the passion translated to the audience,
Yeah.
which is why beauty picked up for me so well and so fast. So the progress that I made in those 2 years of doing beauty, I didn't make for 4 years doing fashion.
Fashion, right?
So I feel like I saw the magic when I was more myself.
More yourself.
Yeah.
Is there a Gemini trait you think that may have helped you in your creation journey?
I think being social,
Yeah.
I think that has been very helpful.
Yeah.
Touch wood. And all the friendships that I've made over these years, these are friendships that are going to stick around with me for a long time, and that I can guarantee, because I very rarely make hi bye friends, if that's what you call it. Like, all my friendships are solid, deep.
Yeah,
I know
no casuals.
No casuals. We are deep in it.
Or we are not in it
Or
at
we're
all.
not in it at all.
I know that about Geminis for sure.
Yeah.
When they are in it, they are so in it, then there is no coming out of it.
Yeah.
But the minute the switch goes off, something's off,
Yeah.
they're
Oh,
out
out.
of it like anything.
Yeah.
I also believe in zodiacs, which is why I know this about Gemini. It's a mad respect for them because they're all heart. Whatever they do, with all heart.
It's all heart.
Right?
That's true.
And you believe that that's how you're doing content as well?
Yeah, I think that's the best way to do
Yeah.
it. Yeah. Put yourself in
Do you
it.
feel कि जब आप fashion करते थे and then आपने beauty करना चालू किया तो because you always had a group of you know
Yeah.
audience, like the people that were
Yeah,
watching
yeah,
you always, did they have opinions about your transition? Did that ever reach you?
Yes, definitely did. And it was good. It was positive. They were like,
Why didn't you do this earlier?
yeah, they were more like, why didn't you do this earlier?
Yeah.
Like, and I have a habit of reading every DM before going to
Wow.
sleep. Every DM, every comment is replied
How
to.
are you managing your 24 hours, buddy?
It's my favorite thing to do at night. मैं सबको good night बोल के, then I'm on my DMs and I'm on my
Wow.
comments. And if you go to my page, all comments are replied to.
She does.
For
do that.
sure. Because I love talking to my audience, because that's the way to grow, na? Because
Yeah.
you're serving an audience. If they tell you this is what we want to see out of
Yeah.
you have to do it for them.
And it's a journey you're taking with them.
Definitely.
I mean, basically, it's not just the creator, but the
Yeah.
fan base or the viewers, the followers, the subscribers that you've
Yeah.
garnered over time,
Of
right?
course.
And what is maybe a DM that has touched you, that has stayed with you? Do you remember? Do you have anyone like
I actually have a couple of them,
I'm sure,
honestly.
I'm
There
sure.
is not one that I can pick out, but there are people who take, time out of their days to send me like a long paragraph of how, the things that you don't expect
Yeah.
will touch people, and
Yeah.
when you least expect it. And these messages also come thankfully at a time when I least expected, or when I'm down and I'm like
And you
having a
need
bad
it.
day,
Yeah, it's
and
like
I
a
need that push.
surprise.
And I always go like, thank you for taking the time out of your day to tell me this, because it's so important. Because a lot of the
Yeah.
times I also think, this creator is doing so well, but I don't have the 2 minutes to be like, hey, you're doing so well. But this person has taken that time out, has gone out of their
Yeah.
way to do this, and I really appreciate it.
Right.
Totally.
Actually, like we mentioned a little while ago, that people are trying to fit in because with the waves and the
Yeah.
tides that are changing, the times that are changing, everyone kind of finds themselves at a point as to अब मैं क्या करूँ? And you have really, आपने nail कर दिया आपका game. I feel that you figure it out what
Or
your
at least I
audience
can make
wants.
it look like that.
If you're only making it look like it, then you're doing an amazing job, I will have to tell you, because you're
Yeah.
keeping it very real with your audience.
Yeah.
You're also making sure that you're giving them what they would like to see,
Absolutely.
and not just what you would like to
Yeah.
share with them. So I wanted to ask you about this thing, because आपका जो vision board video मैंने देखा, PCOS PCOD, which is a very I mean, it's sad, but almost every other girl I know
Definitely.
is borderline or they're suffering through it,
Yeah.
and it's very sad to think that us as a generation altogether are in this, and we are at some or the other level
Yeah.
trying to deal with it.
Yeah,
How
for
has your
sure.
journey been? And if there is a word of, relatability or just compassion you would like to give our audience.
So, I've always been like a dancer. I've been a mover. I always work out. There has always been some or the other activity in my body. So when you go to a doctor, their advice is start eating healthy, start moving, lose weight. Okay, that is the advice that general doctors will give you. ना ही मेरा weight ज़्यादा है, ना ही मैं unhealthy खाती हूँ. I've always been healthy from day one. So all of my friends who happen to have PCOS, they don't move or they don't eat unhealthy. So my reflex to my gynac was, why me? I have done nothing wrong. There is
what has caused
nothing
this,
wrong
of
that I have
course.
done. How can this happen to me? मतलब मैं पूरी वो victim zone में चली गई कि मेरे साथ ही सब बुरा होता है, ये कैसे हो गया? Very dramatic, but in the moment I felt so strongly about it. Turns out mine was stress-induced PCOS, which is a thing. So where I say that, oh, I'm so particular about certain number of things. So piecing that together is stressful as a process, and that has given me this. So the entire year I have worked. Of course, I'm eating healthy. I'm trying to avoid foods. I'm trying to like be more healthy than I am. So whatever cheat meals also I was doing, I locked in 1 year of no bahar ka khana. Like, of course, once in a while is fine, but like I had really locked in with my workouts, with my thing. I consciously tried to avoid stressful situations. Like whatever stress was coming, I was consciously trying to deal with it, and it was much harder than it sounds because it's a mental stress that you're kind of taking
anyway
off.
Sounds very difficult, Ashi, while you're saying it.
It really was. So, but at the end of it, my lock-in and my personality kind of came through in
Your
the type A-ness.
my
Because I
God.
was like, I'm getting rid of this. I don't care how. And we just like had my checkup, and I have like successfully reversed PCOS. While it may be easier for me because it was, I know what the trigger was. I know what has caused the mess, and I was able to control it. Other people might not be. Like a lot of people have it from their teens, and their hormonal imbalance is really so bad. So I feel like
to reset it is really difficult.
Reset it is very important. So you need to find your trigger. Go deep. Go to the root cause and find out what is like actually wrong, and try to kind of work backwards, because that seemed to be the most helpful way for me. At least right now.
And it clearly, I mean, your dedication is of course very evident, but also the fact that you've put in the effort to consciously understand what is going on and why this has happened, what it has triggered. And how was you, like, I mean, I'm sure your gynac must have had many patients come in. Did she have a review to give? Wow, Ashi, very self-aware.
She told me to calm down. She told me to calm down because in my...
मेरा काम भी आप ही करोगे तो मैं क्या करूँगी?
Exactly. So the first time I met her also, I was like, I'll stop everything. You tell me what not to do. She's like, yo, you have to live. You're living a life. This is not the major... nothing's happening. Except hair fall, nothing was really happening to me either. So obviously hormonal imbalance internally is really bad, but externally, how was I getting affected? I was putting on weight and I was losing my hair. And she's like, and I was like, I can't do that. And she's like, इतना भी कुछ खराब नहीं हुआ तुम्हारे साथ. Please calm down and live your life. Enjoy. The main point is stress. So you kind of work towards it, because I was like, I'll stop eating this, I'll stop eating that. She's like, no, please don't.
थोड़ा counterproductive हो रहा था because you were stressing more about it.
Exactly. So she's like, you need to calm down. So when my reports came, the final ones, and she was like, I knew you would do it. Actually, she knows me since a very young age. So she knows how I am, and she
the dedication, the Gemini traits of going full 100% all in.
She knows how I am. So she was like, I knew you would do it, but जल्दी हो गया. I said yes.
मतलब Gemini traits तो है भी, but आशी का इतना dedication था कि ये तो this cannot be a problem I take into the next year.
It
bye
is
bye.
not happening. Like, I can't be bothered.
And you made sure that you pull through, you pull that weight, and you just let it go now
Yeah.
for good.
But I mean, I think not everyone is also blessed as I am to be able to reverse it so quickly.
Yeah.
So I mean, take your time. This is not a thing मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मैंने कर लिया तुम भी कर सकते हो.
Yeah, कोई
Listen
hard
to
rule
your
नहीं है कि
body.
इतने time में
Listen to
होना.
your body and follow that.
Perfect. Yeah.
That's more important.
It's very important to listen to your body, especially because I feel that our body is always trying to talk to us. We just
Always
don't listen to it.
at all.
Or we
Yeah.
are not paying heed to it. I mean, the intuition is one thing, but your body is constantly
Talking,
telling
of
you
course.
what's happening, where, what you need to do. Bro, ये मत खा.
Yeah. Definitely.
या ये मत कर या ये stress जरूरी भी नहीं है. आप overthink कर रहे हो of situation.
Yeah.
That's not gonna happen, but
Yeah.
you're still gonna sit and think about it, right?
Yeah.
It does lead to a lot of stress. So what have you done consciously to make sure that you're not stressing yourself more? Is meditation something you've done? Like well-being habits, what have you taken up?
So I mean, meditation was something that my gynac did recommend, and I was like, that's not me. I'm not doing it. So I mean, knowing that this will work for me, this will not work for
Yeah.
me. So she's like, start maybe going for runs and stuff to
Yeah.
clear your head. And I was like, that seems something up my alley.
Right.
So I also know what kind of workouts I like, what kind of
Yeah.
workouts I don't like.
You want to do that pull-up.
Yes, I really want to do a pull-up. But basically, yeah. So I mean, finding out what worked for me
Yeah.
was important, and also I had to go to therapy. Like there was a lot of stigma around it. While
I understand.
in
yeah.
general, but I feel like I didn't even need. I think I had like 6 sessions in the
Yeah.
entire year,
Wow.
and my therapist was like, "You need to calm down. Like you just
वो
need to calm
therapist
down."
also said, सारा काम आप ही करोगे तो मैं क्या करूँगी?
Exactly. So, but it was more like we did a lot of exercises to understand letting go.
Yeah.
There was a lot of things that I was holding on to, which was leading to a lot of issues and baggage, right? Like
Yeah.
एक छोटी चीज हो गई, but the 10 पीछे वाली चीजों का baggage
Yeah.
adds up to that stress, even though it's a very small
Right.
thing. So I think a lot of letting go exercises were
Right.
really important with
And I think once you learn them for life. So whenever in life
Ideally,
you
yeah.
need to, maybe practice it. You've
Yeah.
already done it once. You can do it again.
you can do it again, and obviously the therapist is there.
Yeah.
If you need a maintenance
need.
session, go for it. If you're
Yeah.
maintaining your hair, you're
Yeah.
maintaining your skin, go for
Absolutely.
a maintaining session for your
This
head
is very
also.
important
Yeah.
as in addition to this also, right?
So I feel like that really helped. I didn't expect it to work. Honestly, I had my skepticism going in where I was like, बातों से कैसे ही सब सॉल्व होगा, बट होता है,
Yeah.
एक्चुअली होता है.
I think more than the stigma these days,
Yeah.
अभी यही thought आता है कि मैं किस unknown इंसान से बात करके क्या ही solution मिलेगा, मेरे friend से
Exactly.
बात करके नहीं मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
But I think the untangling that they do to you is what makes
very
a
important.
difference.
And also, when you're talking to your friends, this is the difference I understood, because I was very much of the opinion that I talk to my friends and I talk to myself, and we figure it out. There is no issue. There's no need to talk to a stranger about these things. But when your friend is talking to you about the same thing, you have a sort of a way that you talk to your friends with. There's
Yeah.
more assertiveness where you're like, no bro, this is not the problem, I'm telling you, listen to me.
Yeah.
And she'll be like, no, but this is the problem, you won't listen to your friend.
Yeah.
वो बाहर वाला आके बोलेगा ना, तब तुम सुनोगे. And
Right.
I feel like even with my therapist, I was so like, no, this is not the problem. But she was also so strong-headed where she was like, she twisted my arm and she made sure I was listening to her.
Wow.
So having that was also very helpful. So I feel like the difference in talking to your friends versus your therapist is you will actually listen to her.
And
because-
take her opinion.
Yeah,
more
because also
seriously.
they'll be able to kind of give you life examples and stuff like that, which your friends will not be able to. They have the
Yeah.
same amount of experience as you do. So,
yeah.
yeah.
You've given a great perspective to me and to everyone watching about how therapy, stigma alag, ye apna khud ka khayal alag
Yeah.
can be very helpful, right?
Yeah, for sure.
We were talking about stress and how PCOD and PCOS can be stress induced.
Yeah.
Has there ever been a time when content creation stressed you out?
All the time.
Yeah.
All the time. It's a business. It's a freelance job at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It is stressful. Your payments don't come in time.
Yeah.
Brands don't listen to you. You're not able to put yourself out there.
Yeah.
You're not able to work. Even though I love your product, I might not be able to work with you because of just how the process is going.
Yeah.
There are lots of stressors, but that is the stress of having any business at the end of the day. So, there was a time where I think I was in college and I lost a very at the time, big deal for me. And I was sobbing my eyes out, like sobbing my eyes out, because मैं college में ही मुझे, I think I was getting paid some, it was a long list of deliverables, but I was getting some 30,000-40,000 ka deal. And for a college
At the
student,
time,
that
of
was
course.
insane. That was like when I used to work somewhere else, that was my year ka salary.
Yeah.
So I was like, this is insane. And then it didn't work out for me, and I had the biggest meltdown. And like my dad has been like, my dad's a businessman, so he's like, ये तो बिजनेस है, तुमने अभी चालू किया है, अभी रो रहे हो, नहीं होगा तो जॉब ले लो, एटलीस्ट यू विल नॉट क्राई एंड यू विल नॉट लेट इट अफेक्ट योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज यू विल गेट अ फिक्स सैलरी, यू बी हैप्पी विद दैट. बट इफ यू आर एमिंग हायर देन दैट, देन यू
have to deal
take
with
the highs and lows, because they are radical. So I think that वो मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे fit हो गई कि होना ही है, bad things and good things, you just have to roll with it. Kind of.
And that has helped you in your entire journey, I'm
For
sure.
sure.
Do you remember your first ever brand deal that you did?
I do. It was with it was with one of a good brands at the time. It was a clothing brand, and they don't work anymore. But yeah, but it was a lot of fun at the time. Like they sent me like 3-4 outfits, and I was like, sorted. Like life is sorted now. There is nothing else I need. So,
and you enjoy doing that.
I do, of course.
अभी मैंने आपका रील आपका एक वीडियो देखा था that you came back from a trip and there were so many PR packages.
Yes.
How do you deal with that? Is more stressing than anything, than unpacking your suitcase. There are so many boxes to unpack.
Yeah, there is. I feel like it's a lot of fun, honestly. Like,
I mean, the perks aside, but I'm sure they're थोड़ा overwhelming सा नहीं लगता?
For sure, but I feel like I've kind of worked around it. But you know, a lot of people, when they see those videos, why those videos work is people love seeing कि क्या मुझे फ्री में मिल रहा है, कैसे मिल रहा है, kind of a thing. So a lot of the comments also under those posts are कि this is why I want to become a content creator, because I want free makeup or because I want free skincare, and I'm like, no, ये
please tell them what is the downside of this thought.
चीज में हो, because brands will send you products which is fine, but तुम उससे अपना rent नहीं भर पाओगे, तुम उससे अपना पेट नहीं भर पाओगे. You need money at the end of the day. So if you're saying कि in 1 month of content creation I'll get free skincare and free makeup versus I'll get like a good salary, I would pick the salary because you need money at the end of the day. ये सब is
this is superficial,
You know, it's like how if you're at a job and you're at a higher level, you get a good stay, you get a car. If you're in finance, you know, you get like a company-driven car and stuff like that. So those are perks. Even jobs have their own perks.
Absolutely.
This is the perks of content creation. But you will not take away कि मुझे salary like chauffeur-driven car मिल रही है तो मैं इसलिए फाइनेंस में जाऊंगी. तुमको फाइनेंस बराबर आना चाहिए. You should enjoy it. Then you will reach that level, which is great.
Very well spoken. I mean, anyone aiming to become a content creator, उनको at least a good direction you have.
Yeah, this is not the reason basically.
How do you decide the parts of your life that you choose to put online, and what do you like segregate, and offline क्या रहना, online क्या रहना, ये कैसे decide करते हो?
I feel like, so basically my friends and family are not the most comfortable people in front of the camera. So I will not push it on them. So which is why that part of my life automatically becomes private because उनको नहीं आना कैमरा के सामने. And mine, I'm an open book. You can come and take what you want, no problem. So,
but if you would want to do a collaboration with any person of your family, who would you want to do it with?
So I did one video with my dad, and people love him more than they love me. So I feel like if I was thinking about like the numbers game, Dad, I would get him on stage.
And like, do you have these conversations with him ki, Daddy, I think it's time we make another video now?
I do, but he's like, yeah, we'll make now. Then there's no answer.
हाँ बोल के आगे बढ़ो वो वाला. And when you started your business, what was your dad's reaction like कि चलो मेरी बेटी finally अपना business चालू कर रही है?
With content creation, I feel like there was no they were like, my parents have been very free and very open. They've been like, you do what you want. They are not, so they come from a very small hometown. So my parents are not, they don't have a degree. like they are 10th and 12th pass, so they have no idea what. So Mumbai was very intimidating for them. They found their footing and like
Oh my God.
amazing
Yeah,
job
yeah.
at that.
So
But
resilient they must have been all their
insanely
life.
resilient. But so for me and my older sister, they were more like तुम ही करो देख के, because हमको we don't know better than you.
Yeah.
So because they've not been in this system of schooling
Yeah.
and college and stuff like that, so they're like तुम देख के करो. So when I started, and whatever my sister chose a corporate path, and they were like, okay, she's happy, cool, no problem, बच्ची happy, और क्या चाहिए parents को. And with mine also, they were like, yeah, start. But I think my dad got really excited when big bucks started coming in, because he's like, yes, business.
अभी मजा आ रहा है.
अभी मजा आ रहा है, business. So yeah, so in the beginning they were like, cool, enjoy, stay safe, but like do what you want.
Yeah.
Because I was in college, so anyway, like what else was I
Yeah,
doing?
and when you started Intreccio, how did that go?
That also, they were like, are you sure you want to do something that you feel like because you're already doing so well, you know, why do you want to put in more time and more energy? But I was like, karna hai. Yeah, okay, karo. They're not want to hold me
And
back.
what's the story behind Intreccio?
The story behind Intreccio is that I love bathrobes. Like, I love bathrobes, and
We can shake hands on it. They're the best things ever.
I agree. So I feel like, you know, and the couple of brands that I was using were not it. Basically, 6 months later, they would become bad, they would become rough on the skin, they become rubbery and stuff like that, very weird. So I have a friend of mine who was like, you know, why do you keep changing your bathrobes? And I'm like, because they are not good. Like, as cute and fun as it is, it's not good quality. So, you know, he was like, let me find you, because he's from a textile background. So he has all the vendor connects and stuff. So he was like, let me get like one for you. So I tried it out and I was like, I'm in love with this. Like, I'm in love with this. Can we like do something around it? And he's like, of course, why not, and all. So the idea was to make it a little different looking, make it a little cute looking, which obviously both of us have come together to make that happen. And
the aesthetics.
Yeah, but considering we are on the line of 100% cotton with our robes, they're the thickest robes you will find in the market. No mixing, it's like 100% cotton. So it's amazing for your skin. It's like a fab product. Once you use it, you will not stop using it, because we have so many repeat customers, which is a great tell, right? That, you know, if you're coming back, and they are not coming back for themselves because their robe is great, they're buying it for their friends and family.
It's an unexplored gifting product.
Exactly. So, and because we do personalization also, we have a lot of brides who are getting their names, pet names.
For the bachelorettes also, they do the entire bridal party, they do
absolutely.
it, right?
And you know, with their dates on the sleeves and stuff like that. So I mean, we want something that is totally you, while keeping the quality in check. After that, we, you know, people were like, but I don't like using bathrobes, I can't travel with a bathrobe, which I do because I love mine, but it is a little heavy, heavy like bulky, I would say. So because it's so thick. So people were like, oh, we want towels and stuff like that. So we started towels, and we can personalize towels. And now also we're working on something even better, which is in the cloth space, but it'll be hopefully coming to life in Feb.
Wow. I think around the time that this conversation goes live, I think it will be out there already, right? So excited for it, and all the best for that.
Thank you.
I've got a quick segment for you. Let's hop into it.
Okay.
Just quick questions, quick answers.
It's
like a rapid fire, you can say. One online habit you have that offline you finds annoying.
I'm really not good at rapid fire. But I feel like that I like online, but I hate off. When you're scrolling, like I love scrolling, but if someone else is scrolling, I'm like, why on your phone all the time? Like that.
So it's okay if you do it, but if someone else does this, it's not okay.
मेरा फोन रख दिया तो अभी तुम्हारा भी नीचे होना चाहिए.
वो तो बराबर है, वो तो double standards उसमें होने ही नहीं चाहिए, right? Something people think you're confident about, but you actually overthink about it.
What I'm speaking, I feel like I think a lot before speaking, but people think, oh, you're a great talker. I get that a lot actually.
मेरे को तो ऐसा एक भी बार नहीं लगा कि Ashi maybe is taking out like, or maybe you're a very fast thinker, so I'm not able to pick on it if you're thinking before.
But I do think before speaking quite a bit.
That's great. I think it's also a Gemini trait.
I don't know. That I don't know.
Which side of you only long time people get to see?
The crazy side.
Yeah.
Like there is a very psychotic side that people don't want to be around who are close to me. They are like, can you calm down?
Dial it down a
Dial
little.
it down a little bit. Yeah, you'll not get to see it unless you're like 6-7 years in
Wow.
with me. Yeah.
And I mean, ऐसा कोई bonus episode होने वाला है जिसमें एक थोड़ी सी झलक दिख जाए
झलक
सबको?
के है इधर उधर. I feel like you have to
ढूंढना पड़ेगा,
you have
पड़ेगा.
to keep an eye out for it.
A time you felt pushed to stay on board instead of being real.
I think when I'm working with certain brands, that happens on
Yeah.
its own. Yeah.
That being
Sadly.
real sometimes gets
Yeah,
a little blurred.
It gets blurred for sure.
Yeah. And how do you feel about that?
I feel like it's a collateral part of the job.
True.
You can't do anything
Agreed,
about it.
agreed. What does offline you do on a bad day that would surprise people?
Surprise people, I don't know. I'm very predictable that way, but I will not come out of my bed.
Yeah.
I will stay in.
In the
I will
bed.
not. I will go to sleep. I will not
Until
come
until
out.
the feelings have left.
Have left. Yeah.
Yeah.
I will not come out of bed.
That's amazing. I see why Pisceans and Geminis could connect over here. Has validation ever shown up but still not helped?
All the time. I
Yeah.
feel like because there can be 100 people telling you, oh my god, I love you, but then that one person will be like, pagal. And I'm like, क्यों? पागल क्यों? क्या किया मैंने? So I feel like validation is great, but it sadly the human mind is that way that it'll look at the one negative and not the 99 positives.
True. And also, do you happen to be self-critical?
Quite.
Yeah.
Yeah, quite. But in a good way. Like
Yeah.
I'll do something about it. I'll not
Constructive
just
criticism.
self-loathe. Yeah.
You'll
Yeah.
do something about it.
Yeah.
That's amazing. One thing you're still healing or figuring out.
I think I'm still figuring out how to not let negative comments affect
Get to
me.
you.
Yeah. That.
It is a learning curve, right?
It doesn't get better, honestly. Like it just doesn't get better because I mean I'm used to a certain level, but then there might be someone who takes it up a notch,
Yeah.
and I don't know how to deal with that. So there is like a serial hater. There's one person who consciously makes it a point कि मैं जो भी post करूँ वो जाके hate comment डालेगी ही डालेगी. It is her religion at this point to
my
come and hate
God.
on my videos. So I can't help it. I'm used
Pull
to
someone down.
it. Every video.
Sad.
Yeah.
One version of you you'd protect from the internet forever.
Version of, I think
The crazy one?
no, the one that I am with my family.
Yeah.
I feel like that is very different.
That's a different Ashi we don't know of.
Yeah, that's a very sweet sanskari. Not really.
I feel you're sweet now also,
Irrespective.
yaar.
Yeah, but I feel like that's a very different passion that I have. Yeah.
Towards family. Of
Yeah.
course. What makes you feel safe enough to be fully yourself?
Again, I feel like the people that I'm catering to on the internet have made it a point, have encouraged me to be able to do better and be
Yeah.
more myself and be
Yeah.
comfortable with it.
It really must feel so heartwarming now to have your online family so in love with you.
For sure.
One thing you wish people understood about you beyond content.
That so I am someone who gets irritated very easily. Thoda short temper hai. I am working on it, but in terms of if things don't pan out the way that we have discussed already, if it doesn't pan out, it really puts me off while I'm trying to work on it. It's not personal, it's just I'm upset ki wo plan didn't work out.
I mean, my mind was prepared for it to work out,
yeah.
right? Do you miss being anonymous? Has there ever been a
I
time?
love it. No, I love it so much. But I knew from my childhood that I would be famous, believe it or not. Like I was like, I'm going to get into marketing. I love marketing. I love the digital space anyway. So I was like, I'll be a marketing executive.
Which you are, chief marketing official at Intretio.
Which I am. But like as a career, I always thought my MBA karungi in marketing. I'll be so good at my job that I'll become famous from it. That is what I had thought growing up. Believe it or not, I always knew I'd be famous. I just knew it.
And you don't believe in manifestation, but I do feel that you've manifested it.
But see, it could be me pushing myself also
You
to
could,
be famous.
yeah, just the goal reminding you कि bro यहाँ तो पहुँचना है.
Exactly.
One last question before we end this conversation. If future you watched this episode, what is something that you hope she feels?
Proud.
Yeah.
Should be proud. Okay, at least you believed in yourself and you were confident enough about it.
Yeah, and manifestation or not, you know what you want and you're gonna get it.
You work towards it.
Yeah, that's amazing. That was Ashi Adani for you guys. Ashi, thank you so much for
Thank you.
connecting with me here,
I
having this
loved
conversation.
your questions.
And opening up with me. I mean, the Gemini Piscean connection is really developing
Strong.
if we give it a
Yeah.
shot, you know, give it some
Definitely.
time. That was Ashi Adani, and ऐसे ही आपके favorite content creators will be joining me soon on this podcast, which is Off Script with Social Nation. So stay tuned.